How to fix Hulu error code P-DEV313. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check for the updates for the Hulu app. To do that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then, at the top, you'll see the search box. Type in the app name Hulu and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you have to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option iPhone Storage. Here you're going to find the list of the apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Hulu. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload App. Click on Offload App. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall App. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete App. Click on Delete App. Once you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Hulu, and then install it. By following these steps, you will be good to go. So this is how you can easily fix Hulu Error Code P-DEV313. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.